So you've just used AI to generate all these articles for your business, right? With in-article images, internal images, more images. They're all done with AI. Some in-article videos too. Down here, there's a video. And also, of course, internal links and external links, as we see here. So external links are links that link out to other authoritative sources, right? For example, if this article were to be about finance, this would link out to Bloomberg. Maybe here another link would link out to TechCrunch, right? These are external sources, right? And also internal sources, right, link out to your business's homepage, right? Maybe your business, maybe some blog posts, maybe some contacts page. These are great, right? But my focus here is on the external links. What if this link linked out to a competitor of yours, right? What if we were reading through this article that was posted on your blog, and there was here a link, right? Let's find one here. Let's say, where is it? So let's say this our experienced groomers was going to link out to a competitor of yours. You don't want that to happen, right? You want this to link out to your own site, right? A way you can prevent this is by going here to presets, right? I'm going to open up one I've created, so my dog grooming preset right here. I'm going to go to the tab for external linking, right? Now, just by enabling this, like so, right, on all the content generated, right, there's going to be a featured image, of course, table of contents, proper content structuring, in-article images, in-article videos, bullets, tables, quotes, calls to action, right, internal links, and the external links, right, will scrape the internet for relevant articles in your niche and language. So again, article blogs, this link is going to be link out to a page or another article about blogs. So there's some relevancy in here, right? And the link itself is going to make sense in the context of the article as a whole. But what you don't want is this link to be to a competitor. Simply put, what you do is you can go here to exclude external sources and add all of your competitors' websites to make sure that no link links out to a competitor of yours. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but this is essentially how you do it, right? Essentially, this is how you can make it so AI does not link to your competitors with maybe 30 seconds, a minute of work, right? Pretty cool, pretty straightforward. And then, of course, you just go to generate articles, load your preset right here. Oh, this one right here. And click select how many articles you want, of course, and click generate. There you go. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a go. It's at tryjournalist.com. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll also leave a link in the pinned comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.